Having full control over anyone's face with just a few clicks. How cool would that be? Well, it's all possible now thanks to AI. Hey there, and how are you doing? In this video, I am going to show you how you can control anyone's face by using a new free-to-use AI tool. Are you excited? Well, let's dive right in. Okay, before I am going to show you the AI tool and how it works, we are going to collect some images that we want to apply the effects onto. For example, this image of Mr. Bean. Or this one of Adriana Lima. Or Donald Trump. Or even Eminem. Okay, let's go and use the AI tool now. You can find it on Hugging Face and it is called Face Poke. And since YouTube is being seriously annoying right now, I still cannot post links in the description. So guys, please just use Google and search for .face poke, Hugging Face, and then you will find it. And now here we need to add the image of the face we want to modify. And somehow I got some errors when trying to drag the image on the program. So instead, just upload per that upload button. And there it is. Now we can click anywhere, and the face will follow the direction you clicked. Unfortunately here, the lower part of his body looks a bit weird, but this is so cool so far. When you click on Show Face Markers, go and hover with your mouse over the face, and you will see these yellow lines on, for example, the eyes and mouth. Just click and drag, and that way you can modify the way he is looking or the position of his mouth. And here is a little trick. For example, in this position, his eyes look a bit weird. Well, to solve that, simply close his eyes and open them again. And voila, now they look normal. If you want to save the modified face, click on Download. Look at this. By clicking on his eyes and dragging it, we can change the position of his eyes. I love how fast and responsive it is. If you want to modify another face, for example Adriana Lima, simply click on the image file name and upload a new image. Okay, nice. But I think this is a good example of an image to avoid. I mean, her shoulder is blocking the AI's ability to create a smooth result. Let's try another one of her. Okay, now it is time for Donald Trump. Ha ha ha, nice. Now let's try Eminem. And guys, if you are looking for an alternative for this tool, well then there is Expression Editor. This one is also on Hugging Face. But guys, it has no real-time output and somehow it didn't work for me. I got errors, so let me know if this program worked for you. Let's go back to Face Poke, and this time let's try it with this image. An image of two faces in it. And okay, this is a bit disappointing as you can see, but it is fun nonetheless. Okay, last but not least, let's try it with a group photo. Okay, haha. It only applies the effects on one face as you can see. And that's it, now it's up to you. Let me know how it worked for you and if you are going to use this on a daily basis. By the way, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, you know the drill. Have a great day and I will see you in the next Mr. Lemon video. Bye.